Hello viewers, and for you today I have another eBay purchase. This is a 1959 Hawaii Statehood dollar. While it isn't an official U.S. mint coin, it has become a very popular collectible among souvenir metal enthusiasts and statehood memorabilia collectors. I paid $10.66 for this coin. So let's open it up and see what we've got. And there it is. Oh, that looks like it's in really good condition. So I removed it from the coin flip, and this is in really much better condition than the pictures led me to believe. I'm really excited about the quality that we have here in this coin. In 1959, Hawaii achieved statehood after decades as a U.S. territory. President Dwight D. Eisenhower signed the legislation that admitted Hawaii into the Union on August 21, 1959. The addition of Hawaii required the redesign of the American flag, introducing the iconic 50-star flag we still use today. This souvenir dollar was created to celebrate that historic milestone and the patriotic pride surrounding it. It is primarily comprised of brass. It is 15.9 grams, 39 millimeters in diameter, and has a thickness of 2 millimeters. It of course is round. It has a plain smooth edge. On the obverse it says State of Hawaii, Hawaii, Maui, Lahaina. The 50th State, USA, 1959. State of Hawaii. Has the Hawaii seal on it. I'll show you the reverse. It says, good for $1 in trade in the 50th state at any cooperating business or redeemable at face value at the Maui Chamber of Commerce until noon Friday, July 1960. Statehood year souvenir coin. Hawaii, the Aloha State. This is in really nice condition. It's definitely an AU, if not uncirculated. I believe it was advertised as uncirculated. So let's see what the weight is. It should come in at 16 or 15.9 grams. And we're coming in at 16.4, which is not outside the realm of what it should be. It should be 39 millimeters in diameter. Which we are at 39 millimeters. So I'm really impressed with this coin. It definitely is in uncirculated condition as the ad in eBay stated it was. It's a very nice specimen. And the 1959 Hawaii Statehood dollar may be a souvenir piece, but it captures a powerful moment in American history, the day when the nation became a 50-state union. This coin is valued at anywhere from $10 to $25. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more coin history right here on this channel. And as always, thank you for watching. Good night.